Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the market. Today, we have something truly special for all you tech enthusiasts out there. The best stylus for iPhone 11 Pro Max. This stylus pen from SOCLLLife is a game changer when it comes to precision and ease of use. So, what makes this stylus the best choice for your iPhone 11 Pro Max? First off, let's talk about the key features that set this stylus apart from the competition. This stylus features a 1.45mm copper fine tip for precise accuracy and a mesh cap for drawing larger areas or as a backup option in case the stylus pen runs out of power. The advanced technology ensures high accuracy and compatibility, offering you a seamless writing and drawing experience on your iPhone 11 Pro Max. Say goodbye to lag or slipping. This active stylus pen is not limited to just iPhones. It works flawlessly with various devices, including iPads, Samsung devices, Kindles, and Android phones and tablets. With just a 40-minute charge, it can provide up to 8 hours of continuous use and an impressive 30 days of standby time. Plus, it's designed to conserve power with an automatic power-off feature after 30 minutes of inactivity. The one-button design makes it incredibly user-friendly. No need for Bluetooth connections or complicated setups. Just click and start creating. And it's designed with a slim, lightweight aluminum alloy body for a natural pen-like feel and durability. Now, let's see what you get inside the box when you purchase this amazing stylus pen. You'll receive the active stylus pencil itself, a mesh cap for your drawing needs, an included USB charging cable to keep your stylus powered up. What's a product review without hearing from those who've already tried it out? Let's take a look at some customer reviews. Works with older iPads, so cute and functional, affordable and reliable, and great quality and excellent price. Wrapping it up, folks, this SOCLLLife stylus pen is the best stylus for iPhone 11 Pro Max on the market, and it's not hard to see why. With its incredible precision, wide compatibility, and long-lasting battery life, it's a must-have for anyone who wants to take their touchscreen experience to the next level. So, if you're ready to elevate your drawing, note-taking, and overall touchscreen experience, click the link in the description below to get your hands on this fantastic stylus pen. That's it for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.